Korech was something that Hillel used to do when the temple was still built. It says when the temple was built, Hillel would take matzah and maror and Pesach. Pesach, we said, is the meat from the sacrifice, and he would take the lettuce and a matzah. This is actually one of the ways that we know that the matzahs that we use today, the factory-made matzahs, are less accurate, and it was more of a marketing thing of how they were able to keep a long life shelf across Eastern Europe, but the real matzahs are probably more like the Yemenite matzahs, which are more of like a floppy type of matzah. They're very, 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 very heavy, and they don't last for a very long time. You need to keep them in the freezer until right before you're eating them, and then if you warm them up for too much, they become hard as a rock. And if you leave them out for a bit too long, they become impossible to eat. But in the time of the temple, so Hillel would take this and he would wrap up meat and the lettuce. And I like to remind people sitting at the table that it is pretty much he was having a shawarma and a lafa. And he would say, this is what we're supposed to do, because it says, al matzot umerarim yochelu, that you need to eat the korban pesach, you needed to eat it with the matzah and the maror. But now we do not have the korban pesach, so we just eat it like this. This we do eat leaning, because this was a sign of freedom.